Master the tides of battle and recover from any blow with the life-giving potion of regeneration. To brew this essential potion, you'll first need a brewing stand. Place it down, open it up, and equip it with blaze powder in the top left slot to fuel the brewing process. Next, grab yourself 3 glass bottles, fill them with water from any water source, and place them into the 3 available brewing slots in the bottom of the brewing stand interface. Now, it's time to introduce the heart of our potion, Nether Wart. Place a single Nether Wart into the top ingredient slot. This magic mushroom will begin the transformation of our water. Watch as the Nether Wart works its magic, turning your plain water bottles into awkward potions. This is the foundational step for almost every beneficial potion in Minecraft. Once your awkward potions are ready, it's time for the crucial ingredient for regeneration, a Ghast Tear. Place a Ghast Tear into the ingredient slot. These mournful drops are packed with restorative power. Allow the brewing process to complete. You'll see the bottles in the bottom slots transform into gleaming potions of regeneration. You've just created a vital tool for your survival. Drinking a potion of regeneration will slowly restore your health over a short period, making it indispensable for exploring dangerous caves, fending off mobs, or surviving falls. Cheers to your enhanced survival.